We have a fundamental of the week that we start every meeting with. Every meeting that happens at Diamond C, we start with the fundamental of the week, just a brief conversation about it. What does it mean to you? What are the challenges of it? Where have you seen success with it? A brief conversation, just a few minutes about the fundamental of the week, and it helps us to edify one another in that, to build one another up in that. And it helps to keep it alive, where it's not just a poster on the wall or a banner on the shop, in the rafters in the shop. It makes it real life for us.
Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Verner. I'm a member of the accounting team here at Diamond C, and I'm going to talk to you about this week's fundamental, which is measure twice, cut once. The fundamental says correct work is always more effective than rework. From precision measurements to the color of pinstripes to spelling a customer's name correctly and the grammar of an email, details matter. Double check your work and get the details right. So this fundamental kind of hits home with me. Growing up, I heard it a lot from my dad. He enjoyed woodwork. He's a good carpenter. And so frequently I heard the measure twice, cut once philosophy. And it really plays into so much more than just measuring and cutting. You know, here building trailers, it does apply to the measuring and cutting and building a trailer. But beyond that, it goes into any job, any task that you're doing. So this fundamental plays into one of our keys to operational excellence here at Diamond C, which is to get it right the first time. And so no matter what you're doing, getting it right the first time is always more efficient, always more effective. Like the fundamental says, rework is always going to cost you more time, more money, more resources. So my challenge to you is to look at those jobs, those tasks that you're doing the most often, most frequently, repetitive. Is there any rework being done, any errors being made that you can put a process in place to measure twice, cut once? Before you finalize it, before you click send, before you post it, double check it and get that accuracy. This will definitely save you time, effort, headaches, and it could save a lot of other people headaches as well downstream. So comment down below, where have you seen this fundamental play a part in your life, in your job, outside of job? Where have you seen this fundamental measure twice, cut once play a role in your life? As always, follow us on social media, and as Jacob likes to say, we'll see you on the road.